Gold precisely traded in the 75-85 zones throughout this day, as I shared in the morning analysis with the Asia session. Likewise, see, look at crude oil. Crude oil has achieved $75 levels, and these are the levels I said shared in the morning. That till the time it stays above 73.8, 74 levels, one can stay long, and precisely that is shown a good recovery. Now trying to look upwards. So what will happen today with the US session? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and crude oil? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis for major global markets and commodities. Also join my Telegram channel where you get the live updates and the live analysis also I do share in the Telegram channel. That's a free Telegram channel. Links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with crude oil. Do watch till the end. Now see, first of all, gold getting a good resistance at 1985 levels. You can see multiple candles failing to go past by on the upside, but this is on the 4-hour charts. We'll come back to this later. First let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts you can clearly see drop there, reversal, and see it is creating steps. First thing is, see, body size is minimizing, and this time once it stays above the zone at 1985, you can expect very big bullish candle. We may see 1990. In fact, 1995 2000 levels also cannot be denied. See, it is creating steps here, and following candle could be a bigger one. So you have to be watchful. At the same time, remember, after this drop, if it stays below this zone at 1975 or 1974 levels, yes, you can stay short and we can see another round of good drop. So once again, the same levels that what we had seen earlier in the day, 1974, 1985, do not take any trade. See, stochastic is looking upwards here. MACD on the other hand is in red, trading, trying to converge a bit. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now see, on the 2-hour charts, higher highs are seen here, but once it breaks past this zone at 82, 83, we can see further bullishness, and then 85 I will look forward to. Once it breaks past 85, stay long and it is going to fly high. Now what it has done, if you look at the movement there, see, it is still trading in this bullish channel on the upside. 1990, 1995, in fact 2000 levels are achievable. Stochastic has seen a good drop here. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI is also dropped a bit. Now look at the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, the story is almost same, but look, if you observe the 3-hour charts more closely, see rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. So again, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. The support levels are at 1970, 65. So remember, only and only if you see it trading below 65, you can sell there. Means yes, you can sell at 74 itself, 75 itself, but then you have to be watchful of first target 70, next at 1965, and only if it breaks below 1965-60 zone, consider that it is going to break hard and it is going to show you a sharper drop there. You have to be watchful and cautious till then. The stochastic is seen looking down, trying to trade bearish. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now if you observe the 4-hour charts closely, see the closing or opening of these candles are almost at same levels, and on the upside also the opening and closing are of same level. So this is either a good support zone or a good resistance zone on the upside. So 1985 a good resistance, 1978 and 74 levels are a good support level. So possibly once you see it trading below 78, you can sell again, but then you have to be watchful here for 1974, 70 levels, which are very good support, and that should be called for another round of good drop here. At the same time, breaking past on the upside will call for a rise. Let's see what it is trying to suggest. See, stochastic was trading overbought. It has cooled down a bit, but it does not mean that it cannot come back to overbought zone. It can reverse and trade bullish from here. Possibility exists. So that is the level, that is 85, beyond which certainly more bullishness can prevail. But look at see, the MACD is still green, the RSI is almost trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. Now see, firstly we had seen in the last few days, see, higher lows are seen, and on the upside higher highs are seen. The resistance there appears to be stronger at 1990, and then beyond that we may see further bullishness, which might try to take it till towards 2000, 1995, 2000. See, very strong resistance exists here. Also see here, it has formed a tail here. It may probably try to bring the prices up. Why? Because see, we have already seen it consolidating, one red, one green, one red, one green, and see increasing body size. Yesterday it gave a breakout, and thus I will expect it to continue with the bullish momentum probably today also, and hence 1985 should be a good level for you to take a buy entry. At the same time, remember, if it stays below 1965 and 60, stay short, and we are going to look forward to a very sharp drop. Stochastic is looking up. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is almost trading flat. Considering this for the day, see, any point of time, if you see it trading above 1985-86 zone, stay long. It is going to give you a very good rise for 1991, 1995 and 2000 levels will get achieved today itself. At the same time, on the downside, see, yes, you can select 1974 levels. However, you have to be cautious and watchful for 1970, 1965 and 60. Remember, if it breaks below 60, it is going to give you very strong bearish move. So take your trades accordingly. In between 74 and 85 levels, do not take any trade. Those who want to risk a little can in fact try to sell at 1978. But see, you have to be very, very cautious with that sell. I will not recommend that, and hence be cautious. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US Crude on the early chart. 74.5 was a very good resistance. See, it tried to retrace, failed to break past the previous support at 73.8. Remember, in the morning analysis, I told you about these two levels. Once again, these two levels came into rescue. And see, it has achieved $75, and I have always maintained 75 is a very good resistance zone. However, right now it is trying to break past this on the upside. This is trading in this bullish channel. Once again, only sell entry, only confirmation of bearishness is if it trades below 73.8. Yes, you can sell here at 74.5 itself, but then also it will call for a little retracement only, and higher lows are possible, which means 73.8. It may not try to break past by. Now see, stochastic is back to overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish, looking up. The RSI is almost trading flat near to the top. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see, first it has taken the support from the 20 period exponential average, trying to trade bullish, trying to look upwards. Certainly beyond 75.2, it may show you another good rise, which can take it till towards 76 level. So if you look at the near term channel, you'll find this is the channel in which it is trying to do. 75.5, 76 levels are going to provide it a very good resistance. So you can buy at 75.2, stay long. RSI, stochastic looking up, MACD trying to diverge, trade bullish, RSI trading very near to the top there, very near to the overbought levels. And if you look at 3-hour chart, now see, one bullish candle here, and I will definitely expect second or third candle there, and hence more bullishness may prevail once it stays above 75.1, 75.2 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy entry again, RSI trading very near to the highs there. And if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts to see, it is trying to recover, staying above 75. Further, more bullishness can be seen. See, it has created a base at 74.5, 74.4. Below that, only little more bearishness can be expected. Till that time, you have to be watchful. Stochastic overbought, MACD not decisive of anything, not clearly indicating anything. RSI back to overbought levels. Now look at the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, firstly you should connect the highs there. See, 75.1, 75.2 precisely. If you connect these 4 candles, these are the highs which it is trying to get the resistance at. Staying above 75.2, you can stay long for 76, and then beyond that, furthermore bullishness can be seen. Now remember, it is happening. It has created a base here. Now see, a big building. This was a big base. Then it has created a good again support levels here with 3 candles at the same levels. Now it has good enough room for it to rise, and hence you can buy at 75.2 and expect it to rise more. Now remember, at the same time, if you are selling at 74.4, remember 73.8 is something it should break, only below which it is going to trade bearish. Below that, 73, 72 can be expected. Stochastic is overbought, MACD divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI also trying to look upwards, show a little strength, and hence I will recommend you to sell at 74.4 and buy at 75.2. In between these $0.8 or 80 cents, do not take any trade. And on the downside, be cautious till 73.8, below which only further bearishness may prevail. On the upside, beyond 75.5 and 76, it is going to fly further high. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day, trading week ahead. Thank you.